Welcome to the world of mathematics. Dive into the wonders of maths with Mind Over Maths channel. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is problem on chi-square test. Problems on chi-square test. The question is, the table below given, this is a table. This is a table now. The table below gives the number of aircraft accidents that occurred during the various days of the week. Now you have to test whether the accidents are uniformly distributed. It's a very, very important word. Uniformly distributed over the week. So we are going to solve the solution. So how to solve the solution now? We have to consider null hypothesis, which is H naught. Every time we have to consider this hypothesis, then only we have to start the problem. So H naught is given in the question. You see, look at here. The accidents are uniformly distributed over the week. So accidents are uniformly distributed over the week. So this is given in the question. As such, we are writing in the null hypothesis. The next one is alternate hypothesis. Obviously, we will find the alternate hypothesis. Alternate hypothesis, which is we will write as H1. The accidents are not uniformly distributed. Obviously, all of you know that this is the content we will write for the alternate. Distributed over the week. Now, next one is, so now one comes to know that this is chi-square test. This is chi-square test. So for chi-square test, the formula is chi-square is equal to summation over I, OI minus EI, the whole square divided by EI. Divided by EI. So the very important point is we have to find EI. So what is expectation? What is expectation? So we are given the problems as the number of aircraft accidents. So we have to sum all these numbers. We have to sum all these numbers. So when you add all these numbers, you will get it as 90. And how many number of observations are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your N is 6. So the expectation is 90 divided by 6, which is 50. So we have calculated EI. So what is the observed? So EI is completed. EI we know that. What is OI? So OI is the number of aircraft accidents occurred over the week. So this is our OI. So this is our OI. So once we know that OI and EI, we can calculate the tabulation. Using tabulation, we can do that. So OI, EI, OI minus EI. If you want, you can do one more step. OI minus EI square also we can do it, or you can do by EI. So what is that I every time I am writing? I is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. 5. For the 5 days, what are the observations found in the problem? You are supposed to write one by one. So if you look at here, so you are having 15, 19, 13, 12. Now next number is 16 and 15. 16, 15. Now what are the expectation we found here? 15 for all the terms. For all the terms. Yeah, now we have to subtract every number. So 15 minus 15 is 0. So like that we have to calculate all the term one by one. Subtracting the term, we will get all these numbers. Now if you square the number, you will get 0, 16, 4, 9, 1, 0. Now if you divide the term, you will get these answers 0, 16, 4, 9, 1. So if you do the summation over I, OI minus EI the whole square divided by EI. So this should be within the summation. So within the summation only you have to write this formula, because summing all the terms we will get it as 90. We get it as 90. We will get it as this 30. So 90 is the whole number, the number of observation. Here when you add all the number, we will get it as 30. So now calculate chi-square, which is chi-square is equal to 30 divided by somewhere the DI is 50. So you get the answer to be 2. So we got the calculated chi-square, which is 2. Next one is we have to find the degree of freedom, which is n minus 1. So we are having 6 terms, 6 number of days given here, so which is 5. So we are going to calculate, now we are going to calculate the table value of chi-square at 5 degree of freedom for alpha equal to 5%. So the answer is chi-square 5%, 5 degree of freedom is 11.07. After knowing this, we have to compare calculated chi-square and table value of chi-square at 5% and 5 degree of freedom. So if you find here, you are getting the value to be less than. So it is very clear that H0 is accepted. H0 is accepted at 5% level of significance. So what is the conclusion now? So the accidents may be regarded occurred uniformly over the week. So this is the conclusion of the problem. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Mind Over Maths channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.